Hello, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today's video is just another vlog. I am currently obviously in my bathroom. I'm getting ready for the day. It is also like, what time is it? It's 2:20 p.m. So this is kind of how my life goes. I don't have a chance to get ready until the afternoon oftentimes, but I'm getting ready and I'm going to film a little bit today. Christian is currently napping. Jordan is downstairs with Arlo. And I figured I would vlog getting ready a little bit. And then when Christian wakes up, we're gonna start tie-dyeing some stuff, which I feel like I mentioned a few videos back that look at my necklaces too, they're so tangled. But I feel like I mentioned a few videos back that we were going to tie-dye some clothes, and this is something that I've been wanting to do for weeks. So, and we just haven't had the free time. So I'm super excited to do it. I got clothes for literally the whole family, white pieces that we can tie-dye. I got t-shirts for Jordan, some sweats for myself, onesies for Arlo, toddler tees for Christian. And yeah, we're gonna make a whole little fun afternoon. I feel like I need a little bit of a pick-me-up today, and it might be something fun to share with you guys as well too. Luckily, I just have plain gold necklaces laying all throughout my house. I take my jewelry off either like in our bathroom or the kids' bathroom when we're giving them baths, or next to the bed or in the kitchen. So I just have like gold jewelry laying all over the place, and then I can just throw it on and mix and match. Time to do my hair. I'm using the viewfinder of my camera to do this, so we'll see how this turns out. Also, I'm curious how many of you have made it back to the hair salon. Like, if you are somebody who color treats your hair, or who gets highlights, or what is going on here, or anything like that, have you gone back to the salon? What are you waiting for? Or when are you waiting? How long are you waiting to go back? When are you planning on going back? My hair salon opened again, but I have not been back, and I typically get my hair colored like every 8 to 10 weeks. And I was counting the other day, and I think it's been like 14 or 16 or something crazy. But I'm also kind of embracing my roots. Like, I'm kind of into like the natural beauty that quarantine has brought out. Like, I'm actually really enjoying not having lashes. I like using my lash serums and my mascaras, to having like the kind of rooty natural blonde hair. I'll brush this all out, don't worry. Natural makeup. Like, I've actually been having a lot of fun doing my own nails lately, which is so funny because I used to love going to the salon for like everything under the sun, but lately I've just been kind of more into the natural look, and I'm embracing it. Okay, so speaking of the all natural look, while I'm getting ready, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about Native deodorants. This portion of today's video is sponsored by them, so thank you so much to them for that. I talked to you guys about how I have just been really focused on my skincare and my health and wellness, and basically being healthy in every possible aspect of my life, especially since having my second baby and being at home and working out and eating healthy and natural beauty and everything like that. And so deodorant is a step in the process of doing that. Native is great because they're aluminum free, they're paraben free, sulfate free, they're vegan and cruelty free, which is super important to me, especially because I'm a vegetarian, and they have 1,010,000 what feels like scents. So the 3 scents that I have here are coconut and vanilla, lavender and rose, and eucalyptus and mint. All of these are like right up my alley. Coconut and vanilla smells like a vacation. I've been liking to use this one lately. Don't mind me while I just like put on deodorant. But it honestly smells like you're on a tropical vacation, and I love that. Then the lavender and rose one is like super fresh. Like, this is great when I'm craving something kind of florally. It's very feminine and almost like delicate smelling. And then the eucalyptus and mint is almost like spearminty. I love this scent. Even in candles and things like that around my house too, there's something about eucalyptus that's just so like awakening and really like refreshes you and revitalizes you, especially when you're getting ready for the day. These are not sticky, they dry really quickly, they really help me feel fresh, and I appreciate that They're giving me the scents I like without the aluminum that your typical deodorant would have, especially because I'm breastfeeding these days and I always have my baby close to me and I am trying to take care of my body and be as natural as possible. It just feels good to be using a product like this that I don't have to worry about the ingredients that are in it. They actually use all natural ingredients that you're probably already familiar with, like coconut oil and shea butter. That's actually what this one, the coconut and vanilla, smells a lot like, is like your favorite cocoa butter. And I noticed that the scents stay around all day too, even after working out, even after going on a walk in the neighborhood or chasing down both my kids or something like that. So there are so many good options on Native's website, and typically for 3 cents, 3 deodorants like this, it would be $36, but if you use my link and my code's Olivia Zappo, if you use both, it will actually take your total down to $24. So you'll get 3 for $24. That's a 33% savings, so I'll have the link in the description box. Be sure to check them out. I feel really great using these, so thank you again to Native for working with me on this. And now let's continue getting ready. They actually come in a box like this too when you get 3 of them. So if you are using just one at a time, you can store the other 2 in this little care package too. That's what I was planning on doing, and then Christian got a hold of it, and that's why there's highlighter all over this box. Okay, makeup is on and I'm all ready. This is all stuff I need to film for like hauls and stuff like that. But I went ahead and made our bed and got my lighting and my camera all set up. I'm gonna sit down to film. Christian is still sleeping. Jordan is downstairs in a meeting with Arlo. I'm so sad because I heard the garbage truck coming while I was getting ready, and Christian is napping and I think he missed it. But recycling still has to come, so hopefully he'll be able to see that, because today's Tuesday and y'all know how much we love Tuesdays in this house. So, all right, so I'm gonna sit down to film, and then whenever Christian gets up, we can start tie-dyeing and have some fun. Hopefully he enjoys it. We're gonna call Grandma. You wanna call Grandma? Hi. He's been playing, hey. He's been playing with these balloons that Jordan got me for our anniversary, and he keeps purposely letting go of them so that they'll go all the way up to the top of the ceiling. And we have pretty high ceilings, and then Jordan will have to jump and get them down. Christian tried taking a Swiffer and running to get it down himself. It didn't work. But we're gonna call Grandma because I was on the phone with my mom earlier today and Christian was being a little you-know-what and wasn't allowing us to have a good phone call. This is like the epitome of parenthood. Your kid stealing your things and then hitting you with it. All right, let's call Grandma.
Oh no!
Bubba.
Hi.
That's what he's been doing.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Christian. Hi, it's Grandma Mary.
Can you say hello?
Our bones.
We're taking you on the run, Mom.
And I heard you were playing with balloons.
Our bones.
Yes, you have balloons. That's always fun.
A fun.
So how's
A traffic. A traffic. A traffic.
Trash. So Christian, how's your little brother?
A tie.
Yeah, he's inside.
He's inside. Aww.
Another Tuesday. It's
Yeah.
Two per day.
Oh.
It also two.
Yeah.
Two.
You're 2. You're 2 years old.
A Tuesday. A more come
Christian picking up dog poop, or trying imaginary dog poop.
Okay, so what I learned is you don't need a lot of the dye.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain.
These are all the dyes I got. I just got them on Amazon, and these are the colors I wanted to try. So I've got orange, pink, like some warmer tones, and then an aqua and gray, and this is what they look like in the... You having fun? Oh, thank you. This is what they look like once you mix them with hot water and then a little bit of soap. I heard that works better too. Thank you, baby. Thank you. He's having a blast picking things up with his little... Thank you. Thank you. You want to help me scrunch up some clothes? So we're going to scrunch up the clothes, dye the... Thank you. Oh man, Christian.
Undercover agents of the other.
These are, which ones do you like? You want to do these two? We can do those two.
No.
Those are good ones.
Is that cool? More?
Reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy breeze.
You just pump that whole thing out.
Into nothing.
Can you get it on here, Bubba? Can you get it on there?
Good.
These are shirts for you and your brother.
The other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger scale, the world inhales. As we
Good
go,
job.
I wouldn't want it any other way.
Good.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
Okay, all
You're,
done.
yeah, you're done, buddy. Good job.
Yeah, all done.
More.
One more.
Good. Now you give it to Mama.
All done. All right, so it's the next day. Our tie-dye activity is, oh, go ahead and take these off. I'm so tired right now. I've been editing all day and I'm just feeling super sleepy. Maybe I should leave the glasses on to cover up the bags under my eyes. But our tie-dye activity is complete. It turned out so good. So after we finished dyeing all of the pieces, I washed them today in the washer and dryer, and I'll show you how everything turned out. I'm like so excited. So I didn't show a ton of the details in it, but let me know if you'd like a whole tie-dye outfit, or whole tie-dye outfit. Let me know if you'd like a whole tie-dye video. I was thinking I could do a video of like step-by-step how we did it, because there's a couple things I would do differently next time to make everything turn out a little bit better, but I can at least show you what I learned this time and how these turned out. And I also kind of want to give it another go and just like stock up my tie-dye wardrobe, I guess, just in time for this trend to probably be over. Okay, so these are the only ones that really didn't turn out. These are the shorts, and they just had so much dye on them that they basically just turned completely pink. And then I want to fray the bottom hem a little bit more. So those are kind of still a work in progress. But these are the t-shirts. They turned out so good. We've got onesies. These are for Jordan and I. So these are Christian's t-shirts. This one has like a little bit of the orange and blue and gray. You can't really see the colors as vibrantly on camera, and then as you can tell, they really turned like pastel, like they lightened up a ton in the washer, which I actually prefer because they were looking like a little too bold when we first did them. So Christian has this t-shirt, and then Arlo's got a little matching onesie. This is a little sort of like pink and tan onesie, and it actually matches a t-shirt I made for myself perfectly. Got these pink and blue onesies, and this one's like kind of multicolored as well, and then it matches this t-shirt of Christian's too. Then this is the t-shirt that Jordan did himself. He like scrunched it up and wanted to dye it himself, and it actually looks so cute next to the boys' blue tie-dye t-shirts too. Then we have this one that I made that's kind of, I used the pink dye, but it turned out almost like a little purpley. This is like the pink and orange and tan t-shirt of mine that matches this onesie. Like, look how cute that is. That's adorable. And actually, looking at this next to those pink shorts, that doesn't look too bad. That could be like a cute set too. And then I also did this sweatshirt too, which the onesie matches as well, so that's adorable. I'm trying to decide, I might cut off the bottom hem and make it kind of like a cropped tie-dye sweatshirt. I think that would be really cute too. So I love the way those turned out. These are all so pretty.
Models are here. Ready to put some shirts on.
Models are here. Oh, Bub, are you strong? Can you, are you strong?
Christian, do this.
Show us how strong you are. Christian, are you being shy? What is that face? Are you being shy? What is that face, Christian?
How about this? Let's show a high five. Up high. To the side. Other side. Down low. Too slow.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, you get it. Get it, Christian. Ooh.
Shirt life.
He is feeling it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Colors. Woo. Good job. I'm tired.
All right, here's Arlo's little tie-dye onesie. This one has a little bit less color than the other ones, but I thought it would look cute with all of ours. Ooh, you are kicking, boy. Do you like it? Boop. Boop. So serious. Here's mine. I've got the pink on. Boys have the blue and the, oh, Christian's still getting the dance moves.
Colors.
And we're gonna try and take a picture. Arlo is just like bending that back, all the way back. Yeah, Christian.
Colors. Colors.
I did not realize he was dancing. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Bud, do you wanna come say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. See you in the next one. Can I see those dance moves one more time though?
Oh, 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 oh.
Christian, can you dance?
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh yeah.
The color, the color. Christian's got the colors. Are you want me dancing?